Hey guys, welcome back to my page. It's your girl Sylvia Magic. If today is your first day, guys, don't forget to like and share my videos. And if you know you love what I'm doing, always support me by sharing my videos and turning on that bell so that whenever I upload a video like this that is very useful, you'll be the first to know. Guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys a very good detox drink that can help you cleanse your system. Okay, if you can engage on this drink for at least 7 days, trust me, you are going to be clean totally. You're going to clean your system from those things that have been blocking your body. You're going to clean your system from every metal stuff, from every fatigue and all that. So you just sit back and relax on how I made this refreshing drink. Trust me, you'll be glad you came across this page. Okay guys, let me take it to my kitchen. So the first thing I'm needing is celery. Okay, if you know you are my follower, you will know that how much I love celery. Celery is one thing that I've always added to all my things, as in all my drink, my smoothies, because it contains high soluble fiber. Okay, celery is also high in magnesium, this mineral that can help you deal with constipation and move things very well. Okay, and another thing is that celery juice helps in digestion by increasing circulation in the intestines. So it's good for constipation, bloating, and acts as a very gentle and mild natural laxative. So cucumber contains fiber, which is called peptine. Okay, so peptine found in cucumber helps to regulate bowel movement. I went ahead to use pineapple. Pineapple contains fluids and water that triggers bowel movement. It contains bromelain that also boosts your immune system. Okay, I went to add apple cider vinegar because it's anti-inflammatory, it's anti-oxidant. Okay, so all I just did is that I peeled and I washed all these things outside the camera. So I'll go ahead and add my cucumber. In here I have 2 to 3 stacks of celery. I use 1 full wash cucumber. So I used 1/4 of the pineapple. You can make use of everything, but I always like to make them fresh. You can make it and keep them in the fridge, okay? So I went ahead to add 1-inch size of ginger, okay? So if you take this smoothie at least twice a day, you need 1 liter of a day. So you can detox yourself for 7 days. You can detox yourself for 3 days. This smoothie has been so helpful to me. I've been so helpful to my followers, my customers that have been buying my slimming product for me, because a lot of them don't really know what they want to take for breakfast. So, and this smoothie also helps you if you're trying to prepare yourself for weight loss journey, because it will actually clean yourself from those toxins that will make those slimming products not to work. Trust me, guys, you'll be glad you came. You'll be glad you tried this smoothie. Okay, so it helps to detoxify your body. It helps to cleanse your body, and mind you, it helps me. It is a very light. It was a mild laxative. It helps you to use the toilet. So after blending, I went ahead to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Okay, this apple cider vinegar helps to boost your metabolism. It's antiviral, it's anti-inflammatory, it's antioxidant. So all these things put together helps to boost your immune system as well. Okay guys, so I want to know what you think, where you're watching me from, and if you prepared this yummy smoothie. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like this page, don't forget to share my videos. Trust me, you might be saving someone. Like I always say, my video might not be helpful to you, but it might be helpful to someone on your timeline. So keep on supporting your girl, and as you do so, may God bless you immensely. Thank you guys, love you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.